Hi guys, I am going to show you how I make whipped coffee for the first time, and Emma's going to help me film. So give me just a second and we're going to get started. Okay, so you've got, this is what I chose, your instant coffee, sugar, and of course boiling water, which I just used that for a picture. And you use a 1/4 cup of each one.
Start.
Okay. So we're ready. We've got our water boiling. You can probably hear the whistle. So first I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of the instant coffee and put it in the bowl. Then we're going to do the same, a 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, now for the boiling water.
Oh, you guys, that's very hot. So be careful with that.
Now you can use an electric mixer, but I'm hoping I open my drawer. No.
See that coffee in there? It's like
This'll work. Okay. So we're gonna mix it. Now, like I said, this is our first time making this. So maybe the electric mixer might work better.
And be careful with the hot water.
Yes.
Hot water can burn you.
Now they said that this is going to be strong, but it's okay because I am using hot milk with mine. And of course, then it's going to be diluted once you put it on the top. Ah! Okay, pause it.
Smells good. Start.
Okay, so we're going to try the electric mixer this time.
And Mom made a big mess.
I did.
And you can see right there. It might make a bigger mess. You should add the milk in as well. Kind of noisy.
See how it's thickening up?
You should transfer it, babe.
Yeah. Do you see how it's thickening up? That's what we want.
I'm almost done.
You can pause it.
Yeah, it almost
Okay.
looks like peanut butter. And also be careful with that.
Okay, so I'm going to warm up my milk.
Oh, that looks good. I just want to...
Okay, pause it.
We'll come back after we're done cleaning up this mess. Okay, we're back. And
So I've warmed up my milk.
And also be careful with this.
Are you going to video my milk? Okay, so there's my milk.
On
Now, what we're going to do...
on the screen, it doesn't look white. It looks moldy.
Okay, so I'm going to take my whipped coffee
It almost
and
looks
I'm just
like
going to
peanut
put
butter.
on the top of my milk.
It looks disgusting, but it is.
Well, we're going to try it. It's our
Probably.
first time.
Yeah. And that
No,
looks
you're not
like
even
peanut butter.
videoing it.
Yes, I am. Yeah, we'll have to play
Okay.
music.
So there it is.
Get
There's our whipped coffee.